Choosing a restaurant 2. 9. A mistake by the waitress.
1.
Here is your breakfast.
Thanks so much. Miss, I believe I ordered my eggs scrambled, and these are fried.
Sorry, your friend over there ordered fried eggs, and I gave you his by mistake.
Oh yeah. Here, I will just trade with him.
Here are your pancakes, sir.
But I ordered waffles.
I am so sorry.
That's okay. I will eat my eggs and bacon, and you can take my pancakes back.
Good, sir. I will take care of that right away.
Thank you so much.
2.
I believe you ordered the Grand Slam breakfast.
Oh, good. You know, I am looking at my plate and I ordered scrambled eggs, not fried.
I just noticed that I accidentally brought you your friend's breakfast.
I can just trade with him, thank you.
And pancakes for you, sir.
I am sorry, but I think I ordered waffles.
I am sorry that I misheard you.
Just please take my pancakes to trade for waffles. While I am waiting, I will eat my bacon and eggs.
I will get straight back to you with your waffles.
I would appreciate that.
3.
1 Grand Slam breakfast for you.
Thanks. You know, I just noticed that these eggs are fried, and I ordered scrambled.
Thank you for pointing that out. I mistakenly gave you your friend's breakfast.
Not a problem. I can just trade my plate with his.
A special order of banana pancakes for you.
Pancakes? I don't like pancakes. I ordered waffles.
I am so sorry, sir.
I can eat my bacon and eggs while you are exchanging my pancakes for waffles.
I will go trade those pancakes for waffles right now.
That would take care of it, thank you.
10. Making positive comments on food.
1.
What a wonderful dinner.
Thank you. I am glad that you are enjoying it.
Where did you get your fantastic recipes?
I grew up cooking. My mother shared her recipes with me.
I especially like the wonderful chicken dish.
That is a special coconut ginger chicken with rice dish.
Is that shrimp in the soup?
Yes, do you like it? I added a little extra lemongrass and some sea vegetables.
I am happy that the wine I brought for you works well with this meal.
Yes, thank you for bringing the wine. It really complements the meal.
2.
This is a great meal.
Thank you. I am glad that everything turned out so well.
Who taught you how to cook this well?
I took a cooking class at the Culinary Institute.
Wow, what is in this chicken dish?
Isn't that great? That is coconut ginger chicken with rice.
Is the soup a shrimp soup?
Yes, there is shrimp in there along with sea vegetables and lemongrass.
I think I got lucky in choosing a wine that blends with this meal.
I appreciate you bringing the wine. It goes well with the chicken.
3.
I really love this meal.
Thanks. I was hoping that you would all enjoy this meal.
Where did you learn to cook these amazing dishes?
I got a really wonderful cookbook for my birthday and decided to try out a few of the recipes.
The chicken is out of this world.
I love that dish as well. It is coconut chicken with rice.
I was wondering if there was shrimp in the soup.
Yes, that soup has a shrimp base. I also added sea vegetables and lemongrass.
It worked out well that the wine that I brought to share seems to blend well with this meal.
I love this wine. It goes very well with the chicken.
11. Making negative comments on food.
1.
George, how is your chicken?
My chicken tastes all right, but it is pretty dry. How is your fish?
My fish is pretty dry too.
It's almost as if this food has been sitting a little too long. It doesn't seem fresh.
Yes, it seems that way to me also.
How are your vegetables?
My vegetables are very soggy.
Mine are the same way. It seems like they've been overcooked.
I don't usually complain, but I think that we should mention this to the waiter.
I agree. Maybe they can bring us some better food.
2.
George, is your chicken okay?
It tastes great, but it is really dry. Is your fish all right?
My fish is very dry.
I wonder if they left it sitting around too long before they served it.
That's exactly what I was thinking had happened.
Are your vegetables okay?
The vegetables are kind of mushy.
So are mine. I think they left them cooking too long.
The food here is usually good, so I think that we should tell the waiter that there is a problem.
I think that you are right. Maybe they can give us a free dessert or something.
3.
Does your chicken taste all right?
The chicken tastes wonderful, but it is kind of dry. Is your fish okay?
My fish has good seasoning but is a little dry.
It seems as if they got busy and left it sitting before it got to us.
Yes, maybe they're short-handed in the kitchen tonight.
Are your vegetables a little mushy?
The vegetables seem to not be very fresh.
Mine aren't so good, either.
I usually enjoy the meals here, so I think that we should tell the waiter that there is something wrong with this meal.
I think that we should let someone know. They will probably want to fix the problem.
12. Good tips for good service.
1.
Do you want some dessert?
No thanks. We just need our check. Have you seen the waitress?
Here comes our waitress with our check.
The service here has been really great, don't you think?
Yes, the service was quite good.
So, let's look at the check. The total is $36.
How much do you think we should leave for a tip?
Usually people leave 15%, but this was exceptional service. I am thinking that maybe 20% would be appropriate.
I agree that 20% would be just about right.
Okay. So that will bring her tip to $7.20. Add it to the $36 and the total is $43.20.
Yes, what a nice dinner that was.
We'll have to make sure to come back here again real soon.
2.
Would you like some more coffee?
No thanks. I'm full. We need to find our waitress and get our bill.
The waitress is bringing the bill right now.
This waitress has really been on top of things, hasn't she?
Yes, this waitress did a great job.
Okay, let's see what the damage is. The total for our meal is $36.
What do you think would be the right amount to leave for a tip?
15% is a normal tip, but she really did a great job. What do you think about 20% this time?
Yes, 20% would be perfect.
Her tip will end up being $7.20 plus the bill of $36. The total will be $43.20.
Yes, that was one fantastic meal.
I agree. Maybe we can come back again next week.
3.
Would you like to order anything else?
No, I'm good. All we need now is our check.
The waitress is walking over here with our check even as we speak.
I have never had bad service at this restaurant, but this time was really exceptional.
Yes, she really went out of her way to make this a pleasant dining experience.
Let's take a look at our bill. The total price for our dinner is $36.
How much money should we leave for a tip?
I know that 15% is a normal tip, but I really thought that this waitress went out of her way for us. What do you think about tipping her 20%?
She definitely deserves 20% for a tip.
So we can add her tip of $7.20 to the bill of $36 and the total will be $43.20.
Yes, what a wonderful meal.
It absolutely was a great meal. We'll have to return here for lunch sometime.
13. Little tips for bad service.
1.
Do you want some dessert?
No thanks. We just need our check. Have you seen the waitress?
Where is our waitress anyway?
Yes, the service hasn't been the best. Is that our waitress over there?
I'll walk over and get the bill, since I don't think the waitress is coming over here anytime soon.
Good idea. Just bring it back and we'll figure it out together.
So the bill is $36.
How much do you think we should leave for a tip?
My first inclination is to leave nothing for a tip.
I agree, but we don't really know the whole story. There may have been problems in the kitchen beyond her control.
Let's leave 10%, so that we at least leave something for the service.
I agree. We will leave $3.60 for the tip.
2.
Would you like some more coffee?
No thanks. I'm full. We need to find our waitress and get our bill.
Good luck finding the waitress.
The service this evening has kind of sucked. Is that our server over there?
I'll go get the check, since our server doesn't seem to be headed this way.
Good. I'll just stay here until you get back.
So the total is $36 for our dinner.
How much of a tip do you think our waitress deserves?
I wonder if no tip would be appropriate in light of the service.
I kind of feel the same way, but they may have just been really short-staffed tonight.
I think that we should leave 10%.
$3.60 will be the right amount for the tip.
3.
Would you like to order anything else?
No, I'm good. All we need now is our check.
Our waitress has been kind of scarce tonight, hasn't she?
I think that is our waitress over by the bar. Boy, the service has not been good this evening.
She doesn't appear to be headed this way, so I will go get the check.
Good. Just bring it back and we'll total it together.
Our total for dinner is $36.
What do you think would be the right amount to tip?
I kind of don't want to leave any tip for the lousy service we received.
I agree that it was bad service, but I heard one of the other waiters mentioning that it was our server's first night on the job.
I believe that 10% is just about right.
I think that a tip of $3.60 will be the right amount to leave.
14. Talking positively about the restaurant.
1.
So, how did you like the restaurant?
I thought that it was very good.
I felt the food was excellent.
What did you like the best?
I liked the fish the best.
I liked the fish also, but I really enjoyed the dessert the most.
Yes, the macadamia cakes were wonderful.
Wasn't the service top-notch?
Yes, the waiter was very attentive.
I hope to be able to come back to this restaurant soon.
2.
Did you like the restaurant?
It was pretty good.
The food was wonderful.
What was your favorite dish?
The fish was my favorite.
Yes, the fish was great, but the dessert was awesome.
I agree that the macadamia cake was awesome.
Didn't you think that the service was the best?
Yes, our waiter really went out of the way for us.
I would like to return to this restaurant soon.
3.
How do you feel about this restaurant?
I really liked it.
I really enjoyed the food.
What did you enjoy the most?
I enjoyed the fish the most.
The fish was pretty special, but I loved the dessert.
The macadamia cake was out of this world.
I really felt that the service was exceptionally good.
Yes, the service really added to the experience.
I am looking forward to returning to this restaurant.
15. Talking negatively about the restaurant.
1.
So how did you like the restaurant?
Actually, it could have been better.
What didn't you like about it?
It is a new restaurant. I don't think they have their act together yet.
What did you think about the food?
I felt that the food was pretty mediocre.
The service wasn't that great, either.
I agree. The service was not good.
Do you think that you want to try this restaurant another time?
No, I think that I've had enough of this restaurant.
2.
Did you enjoy the restaurant?
I didn't really like it all that much.
What do you think the problem was?
Well, they are pretty new. I just didn't feel that they were ready to open yet.
How did you feel about the food?
The food wasn't all that exciting.
I didn't think that the service was good, either.
Yes, the service certainly didn't add to the experience.
Would you like to return to this restaurant?
Maybe we could try it again in a few months when things have settled down.
3.
How do you feel about that restaurant?
It wasn't all that great.
What did you dislike the most?
I don't think that they had their act together. They didn't seem well prepared.
Did you think that the food was any good?
I wasn't all that impressed by the food.
The service certainly could have been better.
The service did not help the situation.
Is this a restaurant that you want to come back to?
I am not really interested in trying this restaurant again.
16. Ordering fast food.
1.
Welcome. What would you like to order?
I would like to get a double cheeseburger.
Would you like everything on it?
I would like everything on it, thank you.
Do you want any fries?
Let me get some large curly fries.
Can I get you anything to drink?
Sure. How about a medium Pepsi?
Is that everything?
That'll be all. Thanks.
You're welcome, and your total is $5.48.
Thank you. Here you go.
2.
What can I get for you?
Hello. May I have a double cheeseburger?
With everything on it?
That sounds great.
Did you want fries with your order?
May I get a large order of curly fries?
Did you want something to drink?
Get me a medium Pepsi.
Would you like anything else?
No, thank you. That's it.
No problem. That'll be $5.48.
Thanks a lot. Keep the change.
3.
How may I help you?
A double cheeseburger sounds good.
Everything on it.
Yes, please.
Would you like fries with that?
I would love large curly fries.
Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, let me have a medium Pepsi.
Will that be all?
Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Your total comes to $5.48.
Here you go. Thank you very much.